Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can activate the device admin app to secure your lost Android phone. So in here, to prevent that something happen when you lost your Android phone, you need to do something about that. You need to activate the device admin app so that you can use the Find My Device. So in here, I've already on my Android phone. I'm going to go to the settings. Then in here, you can just scroll down and find the security uh, settings in here. Tap on that and then just scroll down again until you find this device admin apps. So you can see that it's not currently on. So if you want to allow the Find My Device to lock or erase a lost device, you can just activate this first. And by activating this admin app, you will allow the app Google Play services to perform the following operations. The Google Play services can erase all the data when your phone is lost without warning by performing a factory data reset. And it will also change the screen unlock password and lock the screen so it can control how and when the screen locks, and disable some features when the screen is locked. So you can just click on this activate this device admin app again, and that's it. So you don't need to worry when you lost your phone. You can just use this Find My Device. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.